Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're going to start in a comfortable seated position, closing our eyes. Drop your head back. And now bring your chin towards your chest. Again, let's drop our head back. And chin to chest. Lift your head back up and now bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Placing your right hand on top of your head, reaching your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. Come back to center. Let's lift our left arm up and over for our side body stretch. Maybe you look up at the ceiling. Begin to reach your left arm back behind you. And now lower that arm, lower your hand in front of you on the bed. Again, let's reach up and back, really rotating that chest up, and we reach forward. Again, reach up and back, and we reach forward. And you just come into a forward fold over that right thigh. Walk your hands towards the center, so just shifting your body to the middle, still in that forward fold. We slowly rise back up, and you come into your side body stretch with that right arm. We reach our right arm up and back, and we reach it forward. Again, up and back, and forward. One more time, reach up and back, really open that chest. Reach it forward, and you come into that forward fold over the left thigh. Walk your hands over towards the center. And we come back up, maybe shaking the shoulders a little bit. Extend your right arm in front of you as you pull your right fingertips down. So the palm is facing forward, just stretching your wrist. And we switch sides. Let's circle our arms all the way up overhead, touching at the top, maybe arching the back, dropping the head back, and hands come to heart center for one deep inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.